Okay, so now we are looking at poem test strategies. When you're looking at a poem, you are going to look at it kind of like the same way you did in informational and fictional. You're going to go with the same strategies. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to skim it. Again, you're going to skim the article. I'm sorry, the poem. You're going to skim it. You're going to look at it. That's another word for that. You're going to look at the picture. You're going to look at the title. You're kind of going to look at how many stanzas. Stanzas are the paragraphs in a poem. You're going to notice maybe the punctuations that it has, the line breaks, how short and how long the line breaks are. And here's more punctuation. There's some hyphens or dashes. Okay. You're going to look at the picture. You're going to see what the picture is about. Of course, you're going to look at your title. And of course, you're going to see how the title connects to the picture. You're going to turn it around. Of course, you're going to still see line breaks and why the poet did that. And then you can read your questions before you read your poem so you know what to expect in your questions. Okay. Once you're done skimming and looking through the poem, you're going to look at the picture. Look at the picture and analyze it. Analyze it. Why is it there? What does it look like? What do you notice? What do you see? And kind of make an educated guess, an inference as to what the poem is going to be like. Then from there, look at the title. Look at the title. This is called Sonnet for Morning. That's a picture of a morning, right? Okay, so the author put it there maybe to kind of prepare us for what the whole subject of the theme is going to be. So then what we want to do is we want to start reading. We're going to read the poem as many times as we can, but I'm going to write there at least 3 times. The first time that you read it, just read. The second time that you read it, annotate, write notes. The next time that you read it, the third time that you read it, you can write down what it reminds you of. To make a deeper connection, because poems can be puzzles. We have to figure out what the speaker is trying to tell us, because the speaker paints us a picture using colors, figurative language, similes, metaphors, all of these different techniques for us to understand the meaning of a poem. Once we're done reading it over and over again, and we kind of understand what the message the poet is trying to give us or tell us, then we're going to be looking at the questions. We're going to be focusing on keywords. Then after that, we are going to be looking for the silly answers. And the 50-50 answers. Okay. So we've read it 3 times. The first time we just read, the second time we wrote notes, and the third time we wrote down what it reminds us of. Then we go to the questions. We're looking at keywords. An inference is an educated guess. Okay. The speaker is the person that is saying the poem, in the sense that they are the ones that are feeling what is in the poem, not the author. No, no, no. Because the speaker in this poem for Sonnet for Morning, it's a person that really loves mornings, and they express how amazing mornings are. Okay. So it's maybe a person that enjoys waking up early and seeing the sunrise. Okay. From there, we're going to do silly answers in 50-50. So it says here, what inference can the reader make about the speaker in the poem? The speaker is impatient. The speaker finds darkness refreshing. The speaker prefers daytime to nighttime. The speaker often watches the sunrise in the morning. So for sure, I know that the silly answer is letter A, because the speaker does not say that they're frustrated or impatient. It doesn't say anything like that. And so the next silly answer would be letter B. Didn't make sense. So after we're done, we're going to cross them out so that way we know we're left with our 50-50 answers. From there, we're going to look at which is the best, which is the answer that is wrong. And once we look for the answer that is wrong, the one that is left is going to be the correct answer. So looking at the speaker prefers daytime to nighttime, or the speaker often watches the sunrise in the morning, this answer is not supported by the poem. So it cannot be the answer. So now we found the wrong answer, we cross it out, and we get the correct answer. Okay, and that's what you're going to do for the rest of them. Again, you look for the keywords, you look up whatever you need to, then you look for your silly answers, then you cross them out, sorry, and then your 50-50 answers, you're going to analyze them and find the one that is wrong. Once you find the one that is wrong, you cross it out, and that is your correct answer. And that's how you attack a poem. Watch this video again if you need to.